it's Shandera. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we will be trying the Lanbena nose pore strips. Now, I know I've done this before, but apparently y'all want a separate video. You could get this on Amazon for $10. Someplace sell it for $15. But apparently Lanbena has a website. Y'all, just guess how much they selling this product for on their website. $30. Lanbena, girl, you are out of control. I'm gonna ask you to get it together. With that being said, let's go ahead and swatch this product. So this is what the product looks like. Can you guys see? It's giving me real Elmer glue tease, but oh my god, it's dripping already. This could be a whole hand mask. Okay, Lanbena, come through. It's giving me 5th grade school teacher vibes with school glue in it. This, I don't know. This is strong. Let's go ahead and pray for a miracle and apply this to my face. Now, I should have used the Q-tip, but I don't have time, so we're just gonna apply it right here first. And get right here really well. Stuff is really giving me Elmer's glue. So here's my chin. And here's my nose. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait until it dries and then we can unmold it. Also, here is the sticker. This say sticker. Can y'all see it? That is the sticker. Let me scratch for verification because y'all love to say I be buying fake stuff. That's verification. Look at verify. That's the verification number. It's verified, like me on YouTube someday. So we're pulling the, oh Lord, it's already not okay. Oh wow, this is giving botched. Oh Lanbena, I'm always praising you in the video. Okay, girl. You know what? Lanbena, I'm always praising you in the video. What was that? The first time we did this, I had it right. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, it's not coming off. Yo, what is... It's like shred paper and then it's not sticking properly. Lanbena, and nothing came off. We're gonna have to do it the way we did Breely. So we're gonna have to apply some more glue. This is a catastrophe waiting to happen. This is how Breely does it because I didn't know what was going on with Lanbena. Then we go over it with some more glue paste or like the nose plat paste. Lanbena, I called you the good company, but now I'm kind of questioning what's going on, honey. You got a whole website selling products for $30, knowing good well it's $10 on Amazon. So I don't know what's going on over there with the Lanbena people. Okay, so then after we apply the second pore strip, just like, y'all, this is all over my face. Y'all, I tried to be cute. Okay, so it's packed on nicely, so we should get a good pull now, honey. This whole situation is giving ghetto. Hot mess tease. My paint skills are bad, y'all, but I'm out here trying. Yo, give me credit. This looks a mess, honey. I look a hot mess. Oh, is this sliding off, y'all? I think it's sliding and ripping. So they're dry. I mean, it's giving real casket tease. And here we go. Ooh! This hurt. Oh! You guys, there is a ton on here. Wow. Look at them. I am shook, honey. It's like a whole bunch of them. Oh, wow. Y'all hear that? What? Lanbena? I was trying, girl. I mean, the second time is a try. How many times do I have to do it? 3? What do you want from me? I mean, I'm not trying another time, Lanbena. I'm tired. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt for the nose. You know what? I can't even tell because my face looks a mess. So, lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. I have to wash that stuff off. I feel like a dragtation is coming on because I don't know what's going on. Like, I'm really confused, but I'm gonna try to be nice because I like you. And I think I'm really irritated because of the price you have for your own website. $30 is outrageous when it's $10 on Amazon. Lanbena, I swear, if they take every product off of Amazon and they have it on their own website, I am going to drag them in a whole video. I'm just letting y'all know. Bro, they charging kills. Neutrogena, they charging way more than Neutrogena. What is going on, Lanbena? You out of control. You better tread lightly because this channel is ready to drag you. Okay? This product is a hit or miss in my personal opinion. The first time I tried it, I loved it. The second time was a little iffy, but I will say this, it is very humid here now. We are in monsoon season, so it takes a while to dry. And also the first time I think I used a Q-tip. I don't remember I used a brush or a Q-tip, so I think you should use a Q-tip. I also think if you apply it one layer, stick it to your face, then a second layer and another strip, I think it works better that way. If it doesn't stick to your nose and you get it everywhere, it is very hard to come off. So if you have sensitive skin, you may want to be very careful with this product. Literally, I had such a horrible time getting this stuff off. It was very, very hard. Literally, I was sitting there scrubbing for a while, and then I just decided, you know, maybe I should dissolve it with some cleansing oil. So that's what I did. Other than that, it actually works. But y'all, get it on Amazon. Don't go to the Lanbena website. I'm serious. Don't go to them. No tea, no shade, Lanbena. Shout out to you. You know, for those in the US, if you're one of my US viewers, I mean, a lot of y'all are. That's my major country, so I don't know why I'm acting like this, but I get a lot of people from other countries who tell me, like, we're paying overpriced for this stuff, which is really funny because they paying about $80 for CeraVe. Lanbena is $5 in some of these other countries, and some of these brands be on in my DMs cussing me out. I just want y'all to know for dragging this. I'm getting cussed out. So weird how they act, because long time ago I used to review said name brand. I ain't saying their name, but I reviewed one of their clay mask sticks here in the US. Very popular brand. They got their own skincare brand, but they sell other brands. They all about sell, sell, sell. They had the trolls in my comments for real. They were really upset. So sometimes, you know, I don't want to be dragging because, you know, eventually I get cussed out, and I just I be trying my hardest not to drag and like be neutral and stuff, but sometimes it get real hard. Let me get off this camera because I could start spilling some tea on the messy beauty community. So let me go ahead and go. With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.